This is the coding of second scene. So I will just read out the coding too, since the coding is going on missing every time I save and download it. So when green flag is clicked, it will reload the scene and it will play the screen animation. So what is the screen animation is, since there are 5 models here, I wanted one model to come out and the animation will be played. So here for that I don't want other models to be seen here, so I have given a screen here in the design. So when I click here, so let me start from the beginning. So when I click, it will reload the scene and it will show a screen in the front. Yes, it is. Let me go to full screen mode so that I will know where it is. Yes, yes, this is the screen I was talking about. All the models are at the behind the screen, so one by one it will come. So now when I press V, so that is volumetric analysis. So for volumetric analysis, I have given V. When V is pressed, it will come in the front and it will show you the animation. So now you can see with the sound here, and the animation is going on here. So you can see the volumetric flask, conical flask is rotating, and drop by drop the chemical from the burette is dripping down inside the conical flask, and it is showing the animation. So this is regarding volumetric analysis. Okay, so the next one is, I should reload the scene every time. So I'm going to press stop, and then I'm going to press green flag again. I wanted to show all the coding done here. Every time, what happens is that I save and I download, and then when I come back and see, all the coding are missing, or either half coding is gone, half coding is there. So I just wanted to show exactly what I wanted to show. So that is volumetric analysis. Then for atomic model of carbon, I have given the uh, coding like when C is pressed. So when C is pressed, the atomic model itself will come in the front. So it will come, and all the electrons you can see here, they are spinning around the nucleus they are revolving around the nucleus in circular paths. So all the 6 electrons are revolving. So this is regarding atomic model. Now let me stop here, and this is with the sound. Okay, let me stop here and then I'll show you the third model. So I wanted in this manner it should go, but I don't know what is the, maybe there is some RAM issue in my system. So every time I come out, and okay, so now the next model is solid state thermal energy. For that I have given G. So when G is pressed, the model will come and it will show you the animation. And with the sound you can see here. So thermal energy animation is there. The bar is also moving, and all the atoms in the gaseous state, liquid state, and solid state, you can see the movement here. So that's all regarding this model. So let us move to the next model. Let me stop and let me press the green flag again. So now again you can see the screen has come in the front. Now again, the next fourth model is arrangement of atoms, that is solid state. So I have given yes. When S is pressed, it will come in the front and it will show you the animation. So all the arrangements will be shown one by one: linear arrangement, AA type, AB type, simple cubic, and body centered cubic. So that's all regarding this model. So this is what I want to show. So let me stop here, and again I'll reload the scene. I don't want other models I don't want other models to be seen when the one model is explained. That is why I have made in this manner. Okay, the last model is modern periodic table. So I have, for this I have given For this, I have given the coding like when P is pressed. So when P is pressed, it will come in the front and it will show the animation. So you can even hear the sound of glass breaking. So every time the glass breaks, a new block will be seen. So like alkaline earth metals, transition metals, and I have given space in between so that during that seconds I can explain about that group. So this is regarding transition metals. So for transition metals, in between I have given 20 seconds, like so that I can explain about the elements present in transition metals. So that is the intention behind giving the time after each group. Now the P block elements. So I have given 7 seconds in between because there are 7 elements. So it will at least take 7 seconds to read the element's name. So that is why. So like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, moscovium. So now you will hear the next sound. So it is like that. I have given in that manner so that I can read out the names of the elements too, along with the animation. So this is regarding modern periodic table of elements, and this model is the fifth model. Okay, so this is regarding scene 2. Let me stop here. Let me go to the I'll show the coding, whatever coding I have given. Let me quickly show you. So when green flag is clicked, when V key is pressed, this is for volumetrics. This 4 coding is for volumetric analysis model, and this one when C is pressed, this is regarding electron paths, that is curved paths, atomic model. Then when G is pressed, this is regarding solid state thermal animation. So for solid state, there are atoms separately animation is given. So for each of the atoms, for gaseous state, for liquid state, and solid state, and for that bar above, that is that thermal energy to show that. For that also, custom animation is given. And for modern periodic table, I have given animation for all the families like nitrogen family, oxygen family, and in between I have given the media, that is sound, that is glass breaking sound. And in this itself I have the video of the third scene 2 attached. So I have given extra coding here. When space key is pressed, the AR video screen will start. So now you can see here.
Hello everyone, welcome to my
So that one
scene
at the
3
back
of my
side of the
Capstone
modern periodic
project,
table, you
which
can
is
see here I have
full of
given the.
gaming here. In this
So when
scene, you
space
will
key is
find
pressed,
that
it will play the
there is
screen,
a
and it will,
game
if I
where
press A, it will stop. It will pause. The video screen will pause. So third scene is put in the form of video screen here. So this is the coding I have given for, and for the atomic arrangement of atoms, this is the coding I have given. So the sound I have used here is drip drop, and for volumetric it is water drop. For atomic model it is symbol, and for modern periodic table it is glass breaking, and again for that solid state I have used water drop. So that's all regarding scene 2 coding. This is regarding coding. Okay, let me stop this video here. Or let me take you to scene 1 animation, scene 1 coding 2, so that if the coding is missing, then we can work it out here itself. Alhamdulillah, nothing happened to the coding. So you can see here, all the coding is given for the camera to go here. So on when green flag is clicked, reload scene, AR school scene 1, Toby entrance, Toby jump, Toby will turn, then it will show main building. Those Boolean objects will walk, buses will be shown, left side view, topple, and then back side view of the school, right view, front view, camera stage. Then Toby will come to the ground, then it will roll, then from stage it will show the top view, then computer lab view, then it will show the computer lab inside. Then Toby will come to the computer lab and say, and again camera will come outside to the ground, it will show the gate, it will show the prayer hall, it will topple, no, it will get it will topple, and then it will show the reception area, principal room, principal inside room. Then Toby will come to the principal room, say something, turn, and then come out of the PR, that is principal rooms, and it will go to the chemistry lab view, it will show the chemistry lab view 1 and view 2. Two views are inside. Then chemistry lab Toby will come. It will think, it will laugh, and then at last AR will stop at the chemistry board. So when the chemistry board is stopped, I have added even the video screen here, where when I press V, the video screen will, and I have given one more coding here, that when 0 is pressed, it will show the AR camera will actually be showing the video screen. So little bit, if I zoom inside and if I go inside, I can see I can show you inside. Okay, I will press V, and you will see that the video will move, and it is the video of the second scene and third scene together.
Hello everyone,
So you
welcome to
can
my
hear the sound of
class.
the
So
video.
this
It is
is
played
the
there.
world of chemistry
When
here,
the AR
and this
camera
is the
stops
scene
at the
2 of my
chemistry board,
capstone
the video
project.
screen will appear
So
there.
in this
And
scene,
Q,
I will
it will pause the video screen. So this is regarding adding video screen in scene 1. So this is regarding scene 1 coding. So scene 1 coding, scene 2 coding I have shown you. Let us move to the scene 3 coding. So let us see whether the coding is there, or is there any missing over there. So if it is missing, no, it is not missing. So I think it is there already. So when green flag is clicked, reload scene, it will set the variable. So here for scene 3 alone, I should make sure that when I play the game, I should make the variable scene here. So when it will reload the scene, and I had added ground to the collision word, and I've added this boolean object also, where Toby is walking, also to the collision world, because I don't want him to fall down when the rocket flies. So then, when space key is pressed, Toby will move. When we press 1, 2, 3, so the instructions, according to the instructions, I have given the numbering here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the different elements to animate, and it has come with sound too. So guitar sound will be there. And when Toby collides with oxygen, what happens to the score of trees? Everything I have given. Yes, it is working there. And then I have given rocket sound too when R is pressed. So when we press R, rocket also will launch, and also it will play the sound of rocket. So I have given here 20 seconds. Wait for 20 seconds. I have enabled physics for rocket ship. It will push the rocket ship up with velocity of 100 meter per second, and it will wait for 20 seconds. Disable physics. Then it will change the rocket launch by 1. So wait for 1 second, and then again set rocket ship state to base state. So why I have given 20 seconds here is the rocket sound comes little far away. So that is why I have given here 20 seconds. Let me show you whether it is working in the full screen mode. Okay. So let me press green flag here. So this is only regarding the coding, about the coding, whatever I have given here. So in all the 3 scenes I wanted to show. That is why. Okay. So now when space bar is pressed, yes, Toby is moving. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So trees are also moving. And when garden music is added, so that when trees are growing, it will show that. So when liquid hydrogen touches 10, I thought of showing the rocket launch. So since the video is becoming lengthier, let me press R to see whether the rocket is launching or not. You can hear the rocket sound now. Okay, it has come to the base state. That's it. So all the codings are there for the first scene, second scene, third scene. Let me stop here. Okay, it has stopped. So all the 3 scenes I have shown in this scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. And the thing here is, in scene 1 I have added scene 2 and scene 3 video together. And in scene 2 I have added scene 3 video in scene 2. So that is what I have done here, because every time I close the project, and then if I open up, the coding misses. So I thought of adding in the form of video. That is the reason. But now it is working very well. So let me save here and let me download here, and then let me download this design. So let me download this design and let me stop this video here. Thank you everyone.